The countdown to the all-new Ford Ranger's debut later in 2021 is formally on, and this first official teaser video shows Australia's top-selling 4x4 dual cab has lost none of its off-road courage. The all-new Ranger should be tougher and more capable than its predecessor when it arrives in local showrooms in 2022. Based on an upgraded ladder frame architecture with beefed up suspension and an updated 4x4 driveline, it certainly doesn't look like the Ranger's off-road prowess has gone backwards. The new Ranger will almost certainly be more powerful too, thanks to the addition of new higher output turbocharged V6 engines, with potentially up to 300 kilowatts of power for top spec Raptor models, and enhanced 4-cylinder donks as well. Along with a butch new look that will include big truck visuals borrowed from the Ford F-150, which you can sort of see behind the camo wrapping, the new Ranger will get enhanced driver assistance technologies and more cabin tech, such as bigger touchscreens and a digital driver's display. The bigger, more advanced new Ranger pickup is expected to deliver improvements across all metrics and should at least maintain its class-leading towing and payload capacities. Stay tuned to Car Sales for more Ranger news as we get it.